How to share files and folders with Dropbox. In this video tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily share any files and folders that's inside your Dropbox. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and go to dropbox.com, and then you can upload or create any files. So I'm going to create a new folder here. So what I'm going to do is tap on create folder, name this folder pictures, and tap on create. So once you have created your folder, you could add your files there. So let's just go to our folder, and then let's just open up our files. So here inside the pictures folder, I'm going to add some files. So tap on create, go to files, or click on upload. So let's just select files. I'm going to go to pictures, and from here I'm going to select a few of these images and then tap on done or open. Now these will be uploaded to my folder right here. So once the download or upload process is complete, you can directly share this folder, and all of the files inside this will also be shared. So let's just click on the share folder button and then click on copy link. Now it will automatically get you the link. Now if you want to manage the access of this folder, you could do this. So under who has access, you can select anyone with the link. Or if you want to add a expiry date for your link, you could do that as well. And once that is done, this is the link for editing. So if you just want the link for viewing so that people would be able to view, just click on it, click on create link. Now this link right here is only for viewing. So people with this link will only be able to view the folder and not edit it. So once you have done that, just click on copy link. So I'm just going to go back and then click on copy link. Now click on link has been copied. So I'm going to open up my WhatsApp, go to my chat, and I'm going to share it on my WhatsApp chat. So anyone who clicks on this link will be able to view the pictures inside the folder. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.